Welcome to the Menumium step-by-step tutorial series. In today's session, we'll learn all about the Menumium's promotion management system. Before starting this setup, make sure you've already completed the business setup and food setup, as these are the mandatory first steps. From your dashboard, open the left navigation bar and click on Promotion Management. Here, you'll find setup options for coupons, BOGO offers, and happy hour discounts. On the promotion dashboard, you'll see an overview of all active and upcoming deals. Let's start by creating a coupon. Click Coupon from the left navigation. Then click Add New Coupon. Here you'll see the detailed setup options. First, add a coupon title. For the coupon code, you can either generate one automatically or type your own. Next, set how many times this coupon can be used by a customer. You can also choose unlimited usage if you don't want any restrictions. Now, choose your discount type. Here you have different options. You can provide discount on purchase, on first order, give a free item with purchase, or offer free delivery. For this tutorial, I'm going with the first order option. Set your discount amount as a percentage and add the maximum amount for this discount. Next is the validity of this coupon. You can choose date ranges or assign this offer permanently. In the advanced settings, you'll see a targeted customers toggle. If you turn this on, you can select all customers to use this coupon or choose specific customers who can use it. Make sure you set up your customer first if you want to create a specific coupon for them. I'm turning off the toggle since I want everyone to be able to use the coupon. You can enable minimum order value. This means customers can only use the coupon after spending a certain amount. Then select the order type such as dine-in, takeaway, or delivery. And if you want, you can limit the coupon to a specific branch. Once done, click Save. The upper part of the list shows you a bird's eye view of coupon statuses, total number, active coupons, currently available ones, upcoming ones, and more. You can turn off the coupon status if you want. You can directly get a quick view of the coupon here or edit and view details. The three-dot menu also gives you options to view details, edit details, and move the coupon to trash if it's no longer needed. Let's test how coupons work. Make sure your website setup is completed first so customers can order online and use offers. Click the globe icon and open our menu. Add some food items to the cart. Then click on Checkout. On this page, the left side is for customer details, and on the right side is the cart summary with an option to Apply Coupon. When you click Add Coupon, your customer can either type in a coupon code or select from the available coupons listed below. I'm selecting the one that we just created. Once applied, the discount is calculated automatically and the total is updated. After placing the order, customers can track it as well as see the savings applied from the coupon. Now let's set up a BOGO offer. From the left navigation, click BOGO offer, then click Add New BOGO offer. Start with a BOGO title. The offer type is Buy X, Get Y Free Deal. Choose the validation date. You can either select a range from the calendar or assign this offer permanently. I'm assigning this offer permanently. Now select the food items and quantities customers must purchase. Hovering over the No More option will show the conditions in detail. Next, select the food items your customers will get for free when they qualify. Again, the No More option here will guide you if needed. Choose the order type and specify a branch if you want this to apply to only one branch. When everything is ready, click Save. From the list, you can now view the offer you created. The I button gives you a quick view where you can also view and edit details. You can also change the status and delete the offer if needed. Let's test this by ordering food online. To test this, and also for your customers to order online, you need to have your website setup completed beforehand. Now, click on the globe icon, and from your website, click Our Menu. You'll see there's already a BOGO tag added to the food item we used in our offer. Clicking on this, your customers will get a quick view of the BOGO deal they can avail. I'm going to add the item to the cart, and you'll see the offer food is automatically added. Click Checkout. Here, your customers will provide their necessary details to place the order. I'm showing an example. And now place the order. This order can be tracked by your customers as well, with detailed food items. As an admin, you'll immediately get a notification for this order. Clicking the notification shows the full order details, both the purchased item and the free item from the BOGO deal. You can also view this linked order directly from the BOGO offer list. Let's check how happy hour deals work in Menumium. Simply click on Happy Hour from the left navigation bar. You need to activate the happy hour promotion by turning on the toggle. Now give the promotion a name. You can choose between having the offer active daily at a specific time, on a specific day of the week, or on custom days with specific dates and times. For this tutorial, I'm choosing daily in a specific time. Now let's set the start and end times. Provide the discount type percentage. You can set the happy hour offer either for specific food or for a specific category. If you choose category, you'll have to select the category, subcategory if available, and also how many items your customers will have to purchase from that category. For this tutorial, I'm choosing the specific food option. Now select the food from the list. Enter the minimum purchase amount for your customers to qualify for this offer. Choose the order types. Specify the branch if you need to for this promotion. Once done, click Save. To test, click the globe icon and go to your website. Under our menu, you'll see a happy hour countdown timer, and the food items under this offer will display a happy hour icon. Let's add the food to the cart and check out. Here, your customers will provide their personal information before placing their order. On the right side, you'll see the discount is already added. Place the order, and customers will be able to track it with the detailed cart summary, including the discount. Now, going back to the system, if you click on the order notification, you'll see the total amount with the discount we created. You can now go back to your promotions dashboard from the left navigation to see an overview of all the offers. If you click on View Details of Happy Hour, it'll show you the detailed view from the right side panel. Now let's see how you can set a discount for a specific food item. From the dashboard, go to Menu Setup Management on the left sidebar and click on Food Management. This will open your food list. Find the food item you want to apply the discount to, click the three-dot menu on the right, and select Edit Details. Inside the Food Setup window, go to the Variation and Prices tab. Scroll down to Advanced Settings and open the Setup Discount section. Turn on the toggle to enable discounts. Here, enter the discount amount and set the validity. You can either select a start and end date or make the discount permanent. Once done, click Save and Continue. The system will confirm that the discount has been applied. Now let's see how this looks for your customers. Click the globe icon to open your storefront. Make sure your website setup is complete. Go to our menu, and you'll see the food item we just updated with a discount label. When customers add this item to their cart, they'll see both the original price and the discounted price clearly displayed. The savings are shown right inside the cart. Once they're happy, they can simply check out with their order. And remember, all promotions can be applied directly from the POS as well. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Menumium support. Happy serving!